Hi y'all, it's me. I'm here to show you what came in the mail today. I'm so excited. This came from a cherry on top, and I originally saw this on Instagram. Natalie, who's my crafty carousel, showed this collection, and the minute she showed it on Instagram, I just went and placed my order. And if you like KB and Friends, then you're going to like this collection. It's called My Dear Friend, and it's so cute. This is the paper pack. I took some of the stuff out of the packaging, and I had to write to them because their packaging, this stuff sucks. Everything I opened tore. It just didn't, you can't put it back, so I have to put it in something else. But the collection itself is adorable. So this one you get 12 double-sided papers, 2 of each design, and I stuck one in here that I ordered an extra of just because. But this is kind of an overview of it, but I'm going to flip through it because it's just cute. And this is all I'm showing you is the stuff I got for the collection, so we can take our time for a minute. But look at how adorable these images are. I just love them. I think this will make such a cute album. So this is the one I bought an extra page of, and this is pretty thick stuff. This is the back side of this particular paper, but I'm not going to use the back side because I like the front side too much. So there's 3 of those, and look at her having her chocolate chip cookies. How cute. There's 3 of those. Let me put this over here just so, look at this one. I love the way they did this with the text peeping through the holes of the layer on top of it, and all these cute little kids and their critters. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. That's the back of that one. I don't know that I'll ever use the backs. If the fronts are so cute, you don't want to use the backs. Here's the next one. It's very eclectic looking, but so cute. This deer is just darling. That's the back of this one. Yeah, like, why do you want to cut the fronts to use the backs? I wish they'd just give you some backs separate, you know, so you don't have to do that. Here's the next one. It's just florals and a ruler down there and this grid. The back side of this one, they're very retro looking, the back sides. Might have to use a little bit of one. And then this one here, it's measuring tapes and then florals and some grid and some squiggly lines, and that's the back. That one I would not use the back. That's too common of a design. Here you go, this one. This would make a cute album cover. Maybe this one in the back or that one in the back. And that's the back of that. It's a grid. And I believe that's the end of the paper. So I did get the 12 by 12 pack and the, let me see here, what else did I get? I got the 8 by 8. I did not take it out. It's pretty, it's the same thing. It's just in a smaller size, but I did get the 8 by 8. And then I bought what's called the origami paper. And this one you get 6 of 4 sheets. And this one I really like because I guess you use this for, like, what do you call that, mixed media stuff, but I just think it's so cute. Look at this one. It's thin like origami paper, but you could cut these little stamps up and use them individually. How cute are they? Oh, so you get 6 of that one. And then you get 6 of this one. And you get 6 of this one, which is the one I thought was really cool looking. And then you get 6 of this one. So really nice. Nice to have this. And I like the texture of this paper. It's thin and it's pretty cool. So then the next thing I want to share with you, let's look through. I got 2 packs of, are they the same? I got 2 packs of ephemera, so I'm just going to look through one of these with you. Watch. You see what I mean? When you tear off the tape is so strong on here that when you try to open it, it tears the bags. They need to either use less strong tape or more thick bags, you know? But I wrote to them. We'll see what they say. So let's look. So this looks like a little powder container maybe, or a hat box, or I'm not sure really what that is. There's a little deer. Another deer. A heart just fell down there. Oops, this is sweet. This looks like just a book with a bookmark hanging out, music sheet, flower. I'm thinking this is a camera lens. I'm not really sure what that is, but that's what it could be. A clock, little girl, flowers, another little girl, camera, little girl, little girl, little girl. Oh, that's the chocolate chip girl. A donkey. How cute. Another camera. A little birdie. A deer. Another deer. This says hello friend, and then you have a bunny. So that's the ephemera pack. And then lastly, for this collection, what I got, I think there was other stuff, I'm not sure, but this is the last thing I got, which is the journaling cards. Let's see if this opens any better. Well, see, it still tears. I don't understand why that is. Now I have to repackage everything into something else just so it won't fall out and lose it. Oh, that's cute. That's just the packaging sheet itself. Here, let me take it out. You could actually use this on something. It's cute. So these are the journaling cards. And it looks like there's 20 pieces in here and multiples of each one. So you get this design here, this design here. I think you get 4 designs. This one and this one. So there you go. That is the collection. Oh, see, I could use that one too. That's the inside of the paper. You could use that as well. So that's everything. It's such a cute collection, and maybe something you wanted to add to your collection. That's why I wanted to share it with you. So thank you so much for watching, and until next time, do what makes you happy. Bye for now.